Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to access Google Sites on all mobile devices. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up the browser. And then what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead and just open up the Google Sites website that works on Google Chrome as well. So go ahead right here into the Google site. Basically, if you haven't logged in, just go ahead and log in, and it says right here to create or edit a site. Go to the Google Sites in your desktop. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the double A right here, capital A, capital A at the bottom left, and then just go ahead and request desktop. And as you can see right here, it says the server cannot process the request because it is malformed. It should not be retired, right? And basically you're gonna be able to get back to it later, but basically you're gonna be able to access the Google Sites. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank